Hi, I'm Dr. Rik Wahlrab DC. Welcome to the Pain Relief Center in Laguna Hills, California. Let's walk through the office and I'll show you some of the services we offer. In this room I perform chiropractic adjustments. I also have a cold laser that helps with pain and swelling. And then I also use this machine right here, which is a spinal decompression table. This can be darn near miraculous for people with disc problems in their lower back, like herniated, bulging, or degenerative discs, stenosis, sciatica. It helps dramatically with those kind of problems, and this table does the job. One of the most unique features of our office is this machine right here, the SoftWave OrthoGold 100. We're one of the very few offices that have this in all of California, although I think all the pro teams and colleges have them to treat their athletes, as this is an elite treatment for athletes. As you can see here, the machine creates a spark, which then sends about a 3,500 mile an hour sound wave into the tissues. This breaks through the wall of inflammation and the scar tissue, thus draining the area of the inflammation, and now the body can recognize that there's a problem, and it sends stem cells to the area to fix it. That's right, this machine is also known as the stem cell machine. This device is used for almost anything you can think of that's causing you pain, from neck and back problems to shoulder problems like rotator cuff or impingement syndrome, elbow problems like golfer's elbow or tennis elbow, carpal tunnel syndrome in the wrist or other wrist problems, finger issues, and arthritis. And then the hip problems that everybody seems to have. Of course, knees. If you have a partially torn ACL or PCL or MCL, it can help with that. Or you go down to the ankle. I mean, we have high ankle sprains being helped. We have other ankle issues. Of course, toe issues and bunions are helped dramatically with this, as well as plantar fasciitis. I've treated patients with neuropathy, and it helps with that. It helps increase circulation. This machine truly is a breakthrough device. We also have a high-speed digital X-ray right here in our facility. If you need your neck or your back X-rayed or need your extremity X-rayed, we can do it here in-house. Have you ever heard you can't spot reduce? Well, now you can with the invisi-RED machine, another one of the services we offer here. This machine causes the fat cells to burn about 1,700 calories in only 15 minutes. How can it do that? It sends a laser and an infrared wave into the tissues, causing them to metabolize, causing the fat to be burned and move out of your system. We're seeing people lose about 1 inch to 1.5 inches in only 15 minutes. And additionally, you get skin tightening. You lose fat, you burn calories, and you get better looking skin all at the same time.